Welcome to the 2-Minute SQL Tips. Today, we're diving into 3 powerful window functions: row number, rank, and dense rank. If you've ever wondered when to use each one, this video is for you. And yes, we'll keep it short and simple. These functions are all about ranking rows in a dataset based on specific criteria, but they behave differently in handling ties. Let's break it down. Row number assigns a unique number to each row in the result set. Even if there's a tie in your ranking criteria, it will still give each row a unique value. This is great for generating unique identifiers in your query result and for ensuring there are no gaps. Rank gives the same rank to tied rows but skips numbers after a tie. Use this when you want to account for ties and see the true ranking after the tie. Dense rank is similar to rank in that it also gives the same rank to tied rows. The difference is that it doesn't skip numbers after the tie. It's perfect when you want sequential rankings without gaps. Let's illustrate with an example. We want to rank each row by order count. Row number will give 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice how each row gets a distinct number. Rank will give 1, 2, 2, 4. Notice how we skip 3 because 2 rows are tied at 2. Dense rank will give 1, 2, 2, 3. In this case, even though 2 rows are at 2, we assign the next one as 3 so we don't have a gap. In terms of how frequently they are used, row number is most common, followed by rank. Dense rank is the least common of the 3. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more 2-minute SQL tips.